Looking to buy game accounts, in-game currency, or boosting services but cannot decide between G2G and Eldorado? In this video, I'll compare both platforms based on pricing, security, seller quality, fees, and overall experience to help you choose the right marketplace in 2026. Introduction. G2G and Eldorado are two of the biggest gaming marketplaces, connecting buyers with independent sellers for digital gaming products. While they offer similar services, they differ in user experience, pricing, and buyer protection. Let's compare them. Products and game support. Both platforms support hundreds of games, including World of Warcraft, Fortnite, Valorant, Rocket League, EAFC, League of Legends, Path of Exile, and many more. You can buy game accounts, in game currency, boosting services, items, gift cards on selected listings. G2G generally has a larger marketplace with more listings. Eldorado has fewer listings but often focuses on higher quality sellers. Pricing and fees. Prices vary by seller on both platforms. G2G larger competition often means lower prices. More sellers give buyers plenty of options. Eldorado prices can be slightly higher. However, buyers often appreciate the cleaner shopping experience and transparent pricing. Before purchasing, always compare multiple sellers rather than buying the first listing you see. Security and buyer protection. Both platforms offer buyer protection and secure payment processing. G2G provides order protection and a dispute system if something goes wrong. Eldorado is known for its escrow style protection, where payments are typically held until the order is completed, adding an extra layer of security. No marketplace is completely risk free, so always purchase from highly rated sellers with plenty of completed orders and positive reviews. User experience. G2G offers more listings and filters but can feel overwhelming because of its huge marketplace. Eldorado has a cleaner interface that's easier for beginners to navigate. If you value simplicity, Eldorado has the edge. If you want the widest selection, G2G is hard to beat. Final verdict. Choose G2G if you want the largest selection, competitive prices, and more seller options. Choose Eldorado if you prefer a simpler interface, strong buyer protection, and an easier purchasing experience. Neither platform is universally better. It depends on whether you prioritize variety or simplicity. If this comparison helped you decide, leave a like, subscribe for more gaming marketplace reviews, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.